Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Air Force One Low in white. So let's get into it. So as you can see, like I said, I got the Air Force Ones in low white here, as you can see. So I'm going to give you a 360 spin of the sneaker itself. And also I have them loosely laced. It's actually not a big problem to do this. So if you want me to do a video how to loosely lace your Air Force Ones or any shoe, just let me know down below. And yeah, let's get started into this video. As far as prices, these ones go for about $90 on Nike.com, and I'm sure you could find even better deals on different websites. Just like if you check Amazon would have them for $114, which is a little bit more expensive. And I'm sure if you go to Foot Locker or stuff like that, you could definitely find a better deal than Nike Air Force One. And also, you can also look these up on used sites and try to clean them up and stuff. You can get really good deals. Maybe sometimes you can get let's just say $30 for this specific shoe. So $30 for this right here. This is top quality, an iconic Nike shoe, and it's one of the well-known. Another thing I want to mention is if you guys have any video idea, any at all, make sure to tell me, because maybe possibly I would get to do that video and I'll give you a shout out. So if you comment down below, first comment of this video is gonna get a shout out and liked and pinned. So yeah, do that if you want that. Another thing I like about these shoes is that it does not matter what you throw on with it. You could throw in khakis, jeans, chinos, anything you think of. Skinny jeans, ripped jeans, slim jeans, straight jeans, whatever you're thinking about putting, these make your outfits look fresh. Honestly, if you saw these with anything, they would look really nice. And another thing I want to mention, this is kind of funny, but believe me, these are actually being able to use on a basketball court. You can actually hoop in these sneakers, and honestly, that's not bad. I don't see these to not be hooping shoes, but yeah, didn't really know that, but yeah, there's a fact for you. Next thing I want to talk about is the comfortability of these shoes. So yes, these shoes are actually not that bad. They're actually pretty comfortable, and yeah, they can really support the walking and everything all day. And honestly, if I'm looking for a nice, cheap, affordable shoe, I would also want to know how's the walking status of it. And honestly, if it's not really that good, then I wouldn't get it. So this is really, really good for comfortability wise. And honestly, I'm also sure that's another factor that these sell really good. Really, really good, honestly, to be honest. Also, all the off-white ones sold really good too. Even though it was made with off-white, they still sold really good and caught a lot of attention by a lot of people. To end this video off, I'm going to give you some nice montage.
Yeah, like the